Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own race car balloon garland kit. In your kit you should receive 5-inch balloons, 10-inch balloons, 12-inch balloons, 18-inch balloons, along with glue dots, a garland strip, 2 hooks, your foils, and your VROOM sign. And also, to start your kit, you might want to purchase a hand pump or an electric pump to help you blow up all of your balloons. Now let's get to work. First step we're gonna do is we're gonna air up all of our balloons. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my 12-inch balloons using my electric pump. You can always use your hand pump. I'm gonna go ahead and air this up and then show you how much air to add to your balloon. Once your balloon starts looking a little egg-shaped, that's when you know when to stop adding air. If you want it to look more round, all you're gonna do is press the top and release some air, and it's gonna give it that more round shape. You're gonna go ahead and tie it, and you're gonna go ahead and air up all of your 12-inch balloons now. After you're done airing up all of your 12-inch, let's move on to our 10-inch and do the same thing. These are gonna be a little smaller. I like giving my balloons that round look. Go ahead and do all of the 10-inch. Now, if you're using a hand pump, I'm gonna go ahead and use this example with my 5-inch. I'm gonna slide it in as much as I can. Just like this. If you want it to be a little smaller, you can always release some air. Just like that. Now with your 18-inch balloons, they're gonna be a little bit bigger, and the same thing, once they start looking egg-shaped, you wanna stop adding the air. If you want it to have more of a round look, press the top, release the air, and tie. Just like that. Now for your foils. In your foil bag, you should receive a little straw. If you don't have a hand pump, this is going to be very helpful. You're going to insert your straw into the valve, or if you have a hand pump, you can do the same thing. It's a lot easier with a hand pump. You can insert it in all the way. You will see a clear piece of material lift up, and then go ahead and start pumping or blowing. And when you're all done, it should look something like this. Now it's time to attach your balloons to your garland strip. If you have a little clamp laying around, you can attach this to your strip to help you have more control with your garland strip. You're gonna attach your balloon to your garland. You're gonna skip 2 to 3 little holes that are on the strip, because these holes are meant to hold your garland up when you're hooking it up onto your wall. You are going to pull the neck into the strip hole, pulling the neck all the way in where the knot goes all the way through. Push it to the side and lock it in there, making sure that it's not loose. You're gonna be doing your balloons crisscross all the way through using different size balloons. And your balloon garland should start looking something like this. In your kit, you're gonna receive 2 hooks. These hooks work great on stucco, brick, and drywall. If you're putting these on drywall, you might wanna use some painter's tape to protect your drywall. Let's get started. As you can see, I went ahead and added my painter's tape first and then the hook, making sure to push out all of the air bubbles, then hanging the garland. Just like that. Once you're all done hanging your garland, you want to grab all of your 5-inch balloons and your glue dots, and you're going to add 1 or 2 glue dots per balloon, and then find the open gaps on your garland, and that is where you're going to add all of your 5-inch balloons. And now for your VROOM sign. In your packet, you should receive some string and all of your letters. Each letter has little holes. What you're gonna do is you're gonna loop your string through, in and out, and hanging it wherever you would like. Should look something like this. And with that, you're all done. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.